Up my good people, welcome to ICO reviews, and today I'm reviewing Appolon. But before I continue, please do not forget I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Make your own decision and do your own due diligence. Now it says leading transformation of pan-entertainment industry. Now let's go down. They are also involved in many other things. It says the platform service covers the entire entertainment industry, including but not limited to games, tourism, cultural crossover activities with efficient payment system. In addition, the group will also like to see reduction of transaction costs, increase of operational efficiency, and promotion of newer models of economic growth collectively. Now, let's go up. Now, its total token for ICO is 248 million. Total supply is 2.5 billion. They accept BTC and Ethereum, and one APO, that is a token symbol of Appolon Ico, is $1. And you can watch this video to understand more about it. So let's go here. So the other team member apart from these three are Alan Lau, CEO, Takuya Ashiyada, CSO, CMO is Jimmy Shan. Let's go to the white paper. I've gone to the web 68 pages white paper, and I've checked it if the white paper is copy and paste or not. But I can tell you that the white paper is genuine. It's from them. It's not copy and paste. So I can say the white paper is clean. Now for the Telegram, they have 3,087 members on the Telegram. Let's go here. Alexa ranking. More visitors from Egypt, from Russia, from India, from Indonesia, from Ukraine. So this is the information. And let's check the who is. Go to the Appolon Foundation. 2018 they registered, and expired 2019. They are from Hong Kong. So that is my review about Appolon ICO. I want you to know about this ICO in case you don't know about it, and make your own decision. I will leave the link of the website down in the description box. So if you want to sign up for this ICO, click on it and sign up for this ICO. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate. Please, before you go, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and please click the notification bell so that when I bring more videos, you'll be able to be the first among the first to watch my video. Thank you very much for showing me the love. Thank you a million times. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.